Peace, family. Okay, had a little something on my chest, on my heart when I woke up this morning. So I'm gonna do something that I would never suggest anybody do if they in business for profit. Because what I'm about to do now, it's really not generating any funds for me for the work that I'm about to provide. So in the short synopsis of what I'm trying to say is I'm gonna give 10 people a chance to fix their credit for one flat fee, and usually I charge $199 for the down payment. But today, since it was impressed upon my heart to give back, I'm gonna do 10 people's credit for $199. But you have to be the first 10 people, and you have to be able to have that $199 by the end of the business day, and we'll go from there.